Welcome to this video on Wi-Fi 7, the next frontier in connectivity. We will explore how this new standard is set to redefine smart home, mesh networks, latency, and the Internet of Things. Wi-Fi 7 marks the next era of connectivity, representing a fundamental shift in how your home communicates. Prepare for faster and more reliable connections across all your devices. Wi-Fi 7 is the upcoming high-performance Wi-Fi standard 802.11b. Building on Wi-Fi 6E, it introduces extremely high throughput, or EHT, designed for massive data volumes and ultra-stable connections in modern smart home ecosystems. Wi-Fi 7 provides unprecedented throughput through two key features. First, 320 MHz channels double the channel width. Second, 4K QAM encoding packs 20% more data into every transmission, significantly boosting raw speed. Multi-link operation, or MLO, is a game-changer. It allows a device to connect to multiple bands simultaneously, preventing data dropouts when one band is congested or blocked. Wi-Fi 7 delivers near-zero latency, achieving 1 millisecond to 5 milliseconds. This is essential for applications like cloud gaming, virtual reality, and augmented reality, where every millisecond counts. Wi-Fi 7 revolutionizes mesh networks for whole-home optimization. By using MLO, it creates a rock-solid link between mesh satellites, eliminating, backhaul congestion and ensuring high-speed performance in every room. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the smart home backbone. Wi-Fi 7 manages hundreds of device connections with better scheduling, ensuring density without distortion. This means your smart fridge won't interrupt your video call. Advanced networking efficiency is achieved through three main components. Preamble puncturing avoids interference. Multi-RU maximizes data transmission efficiency. WPA3 security ensures privacy and network security. Comparing generations, Wi-Fi 7 offers substantial improvements. Max speed jumps to 46 gigabits per second, channel width doubles to 320 MHz, and modulation improves to 4096 QM, greatly exceeding Wi-Fi 6 and 6E. Should you upgrade? If you are a competitive gamer, use VR headsets, or are building a new home requiring a mesh system, Wi-Fi 7 is a solid investment. Otherwise, consider waiting until 2025 as prices drop and device support increases.